Hey everyone, Mitch from NZCS here. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a poll in Microsoft Teams. So what you're going to do is you want to go to your chat. I've created this very cleverly named group chat here in Teams, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my poll. So down the bottom, clicking on the little plus symbol, and from down there, sometimes the poll feature might already be in your Teams, depending if you've used it before or not. But what you can do is just search for, not poll, and go add under there. Add this to the chat, which I'm now doing, and then you'll get a prompt to create your first question. So my first question is going to be the following. This should be quite controversial. And option 2. Okay, multiple selections is disabled by default, which is what we want for this one. We just want one option or the other. And I'm going to record the names of the respondents. Tick this box, only visible to the creator, so whoever votes cannot see it. Only you as the creator of the poll can see who's voted for what. And then share the aggregated results with respondents. So let's preview that and see how it looks. Looks good to me. Right, we're setting this first poll. So the team will receive this in the group chat and they can vote accordingly once it comes through. So there's the first one there, and now we're just going to be waiting for some responses. I'm going to vote as well, and I'm going to go with the sane option. Well, in my opinion, you can be the judge of that. Cool, so some responses are coming through already. Looks like we've got a winner. Everyone's voting for the same thing, which is great. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to submit my next question, and this is going to be a multiple option with more than 2 options to pick from. So poll should be down in here. It is, so go add poll. So it is great how you can stagger the polls and just kind of fire them away with the other one still loading through. So this one gives you optional answers as well, which you can automatically fill. So let's just pick this one. And option 2, I'm not going to go with that. I'm going to have a bit of fun with this one. Great to have the emojis in there. And there we go. One option only. Record the names and send it away. And I'm going that way. And that's it. Real easy to create and generate polls in Teams. You can do this in conversations with multiple people, with one other individual, or an entire organization.